I am Chitra. Today I am going to share some tips and the process of easy acrylic painting. In this one I am using Prussian blue, cobalt blue, titanium white and ivory black. The brushes I am using here is round brush number 3, angle brush number 10, fan brush number 0 and 50 mm abstract expression brush. My canvas size is 12 × 16 inch. For this one, I am using water as the medium. Just mask the area wherever you want to give sharp edges. Try to give the same values both the sides. You can cut a thick paper like this to get a perfect round shape to the moon. Your brush should have little water to get smooth strokes. With the angle brush, you will get the nice leaves. Add the reflection in the water and we are done. Hope this video is really helpful and thank you for watching. See you in the next video with new easy methods.